Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo World. Today, I'm going to show you a fun and simple trick called the Mini-Me effect. To create this effect, you'll need 2 videos of yourself performing different actions. Once you have your footage ready, the rest is super easy. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started by importing both videos into our editing software. First, drag and drop your first video onto the timeline. I'll trim this to just the portion I need. Now, bring in your second video and do the same. Select only the important part that you want to use. Once that's done, let's position the second video in a way that makes it look like a mini version of you. I'll mask or crop this part to isolate the subject. To make the transition smooth, adjust the feather and expansion settings on your mask. This will help blend everything naturally. Now align both videos so the timing and interaction between them look just right. And that's it, done. Let's play it back and review. Perfect. If you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.